where to start this, chat. I don't know where to start this. I do not know where to start this. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Blico tapping in. Part 2. And this time, right after posting the video, the whole vlog that you guys seen about the transformation of the beast, it came down to broken down. So today we will be trying to figure out the problem. Stay on. Now that we have replaced these little things, we replaced this fuse to these ones. These ones are pretty much looking good. I don't know what's up with that one, but yes, we ran. Look at this. This how it looks. Excuse my nails, but this how it looks. Look, when they like that, they done. They are done, you know. So for right now, we will replace these ones. We replaced the alternator. We replaced that. We replaced that. We added that. We added that. What's it called? The KN3. Feel me? More engine power. We replaced this. We replaced that. We replaced the water pump. We replaced a little bit of everything. But this gonna be the SRT engine. Letting y'all know this right now. But right now, this is the quick little SUV. But right now, we're not doing too much. We gotta transfer power to the engine. And that's where it is, man. The engine is literally up there. But right now, we finna power it up, this big body. Brand new battery, and it burnt out the fuses. So let's see how it looks. Let's see what's gonna happen. And let's see if it's really that, let's do it. Yeah. And we came back to this to find that there were 2 relay fuses. If you guys don't know what is that, is this. Shout out to this. I want to give no free shout out to none of that. But yes, we went and found burnt fuses and relays. This is called relay. If you guys don't know, this is a relay. And main thing is that they were burnt. They were burnt, and it's something that helps the electrical power maintain and stay strong, because we really just changed the alternator, the battery, and we are using our pop's car to charge the battery to bring the car back to life. So we went and got the real ones. So literally just for this, 33. But if you buy 2, it's almost $100. $100 just for this 2 little things. Like, make it make sense. But yes, this is gonna come down to having a car, man. You gotta find the purpose. You guys gotta find the release. You gotta have a strong mindset. Learn. The main key about this game is to learn what you have got and learn what time gonna put you on. But yeah, this is part 1. Let's see if these 2 little things were the actual pieces where it kept my car from losing power. Just of this. But let's hope. Let's see it. What's one thing? Cars don't just take you anywhere in the world, and don't take you just for a run down. No. A car will test your patience, and it will help you dive in deeper on a lot of things that you are built for. Just have faith. That's it. Let's see if it's really the battery, or if it's really charging. It's charging, chat. It's charging. Now let's see if the car is really that error, the mistake. I believe that you will be back in the road. As many as y'all know, this month really being about the 4th time this car broke down. I think it's due to a relay starter fuse, or I don't know what it really is. Replace the battery, replace the engine, the alternator. We did the major things to replace, so Today we'll be figuring out why this car is losing and coming down to that little technical issue. So I'm gonna have y'all today experiencing what we're doing, experiencing what's going on top of everything that is happening. We're not focusing on that. So yeah. All right, y'all, so we back again, updating y'all with what really had going on. So apparently this going on. First, we had replaced battery, we had replaced the alternator, we had replaced the throw body, we have replaced the valve, and we have to come down to replacing this burnt relay fuse. If you don't know, then y'all should know. That should be the starter, and that should be part of just technical issues, electronic issues, you know what I'm saying? But long story, yeah, we have really went and did our best on finding the solution, did our best on seeing what was really wrong with it. But at this point was that, and I know for sure it's something else that the car, it will let me know, and it will definitely show me when there's a full battery charged. First, we just went to AutoZone because we really found a switch AutoZone to O'Reilly. If it's not that, drop the link on the bottom. Where is a good motherfucking store? Sorry the language, but where is a proper store to buy good parts for the cars, especially American muscle cars? So for the ones that are tuning in, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you drop a comment down below. This is part 2. Part 3 will be when we get this big body going. You know what I'm saying? We just don't have this. We don't have that sign for no reason. Do not flip is a sign to never go against the game. Never go against on crashing now and not resolve things. A car don't take you nowhere if you don't find the solutions to fix it. You know what I'm saying? But everybody that's tuning in, man, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tune in. This was coming out. Yeah.